I'm Wong, a graduate of HKUST MBA program. I'm now the CFO of HK2E, an end-to-end e-commerce platform fighting the global pandemic with the Hong Kong people. The knowledge and insights that I learned from the MBA program has helped me to make quick, informed decisions under these challenging moments. We actually start to react to the crisis back in very early January 2020, right before a lot of people are aware of the seriousness of this COVID-19 pandemic. We start to source the masks locally through different suppliers and different pharmacies in Hong Kong. And in the meantime, we also place orders in overseas platforms. We quickly draft up or update what we call the contingency plan during the first 4 days of the Chinese New Year, even when everyone is on holiday. The decision-making skills I learned during my MBA program are crucial. They allowed me to make sure business runs smoothly, even in the face of unprecedented challenges. We're seeing from the news a lot of people queuing overnight or a couple of hours just for a box of masks, which is to be something easily purchased before the pandemic. We see there is no local mass production. There is not only a Hong Kong problem, it's a global pandemic crisis. We need to set up our own local production to serve the Hong Kong people. When we look back in December 2019, our daily average order is only like 19,000. When we step into February 2020, the average number of orders increased to 33,000 a day. So the jump is significant, which caused a lot of challenges to us. In particular, on the logistic or fulfillment perspective, we quickly mobilized our resources and network to call different large logistic corporations in Hong Kong to partner with them for additional delivery trucks. We also partner with a couple of retail merchants in our platform to have the stores as our additional pickup points. My MBA taught me to see business from a wider perspective. This is crucial when coordinating different business units and adapting to a fast-changing environment. The MBA program didn't end in 2 years' time. It's actually a continuing process. You can still learn different things from the online programs. For example, I took the fintech from the online class, blockchain and artificial intelligence from the alumni audit series. All these classes to give me some fundamental knowledge about different technology happening in the world. When I go back to office, I can communicate with my tech person more easily so that we can all together make more informed decisions. The increasing reliance on the internet for daily necessities prompted tremendous growth across e-commerce platforms. Transforming business models have made digital competence an essential prerequisite for today's corporate leaders. Transform, soar, and thrive with HKUST MBA.